Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a financial mathematics question, and I'm going to dive straight into it. Now they've said to us, calculate the final amount that I will have in my savings account if I invest 600 Rand for 2 years at a rate of 6% per annum compounded interest. Right, so the very important thing here is they've asked us for the final amount. Remember, our compound interest formula is A is equal to P 1 plus I to the N. Now A is our accumulated amount, P is our principal amount, I is the interest rate, and N is the number of years or number of periods that we invest for. So we are trying to calculate A, which is our accumulated amount, or the amount that we have at the end. P is our principal amount, so we put that in at the beginning, so that's going to be our 600. The 1 plus I, so the I is our interest rate, which is 6%, which we can write as 0,06 or 6 over 100. And N is going to be the number of periods, and we've invested it per annum for 2 years, so that's going to be 2 terms. Right, so now we've got 600. We're going to plug this in our calculator. 600 times, open brackets, 1.06, close brackets, and we square that second bracket. And that is going to give us 674 Rand, so 674 Rand and 16 cents. And that gives us our full result. Nice and easy. So after 2 years, after investing 600 Rand for 2 years, we've earned around 74 Rand and 16 cents. Very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send us the question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.